right there. Check this out. I'm getting paid over $30,000 per month in recurring monthly commissions using a secret automated 3-step system. And now I want to hand you a copy of this so you can supercharge your affiliate earnings and make recurring automated monthly commissions with the same amount of work it usually takes to promote low-ticket one-time $7 products. Hey, Glyn here. I'm not going to waste your time, so here's the deal. I've created a system that will allow you to clone exactly what I'm doing to make over $30,000 per month in recurring affiliate commissions. These are commissions that are guaranteed into my bank account every single month. And in fact, I'm able to make at least $30,000 month after month without creating products or websites, without creating YouTube videos or getting on camera, without running an Amazon business, without trading crypto or anything else which you may have tried in the past. There's absolutely zero overheads with the system. You don't need any experience or technical skills to get this up and running, and we're 100% not shipping products from China. We're doing something a little bit different here, but we're making a lot more money and we can sleep comfortably at night knowing that we're guaranteed to get paid from these recurring affiliate programs that we're promoting with this system. This system is a complete game changer, and what it does is so simple yet so powerful to automate monthly recurring commissions into our accounts, so we're guaranteed to get paid month after month. And it's not just me having incredible success with the residual income system. I'm now proud to say I've got a network of members across the globe all getting great results just like myself, earning monthly commissions, which means I know that you'll be able to do this too. But before you get your hands on the system, I want to take you back to March 2018. It was around this time when I was a little lost in my business. Nothing was really working for me. I'd run out of ideas and ultimately my income had completely dried up. So I decided to go along to a secret marketing event called Funnel Hacking Live, hosted by one of the biggest affiliate marketing companies in the world called ClickFunnels, in search of some fresh ideas. And it was at this event that what I learned about promoting recurring affiliate programs changed everything about how I looked at marketing and making money online. I was given access to an underground system which has become the foundations of my online business since that day in 2018, and I knew immediately that once I'd implemented the system, I'd never have to worry about money again. In a nutshell, I was given a done-for-you system that taps into the highly profitable world of recurring affiliate programs. This system allows us to promote these programs that pay us monthly recurring commissions. We recommended a service or software to people who are looking to make money online and build a business, and when they make the purchase, we lock in monthly recurring commissions from that initial sale. We were able to do this without spending a dime of our own money in the process and working just as hard as I used to work to make those measly one-off $7 commissions. You know, why go to the trouble of promoting an affiliate product to only make a $7 commission when I can make monthly recurring commissions that is guaranteed cash in my bank account with the exact same effort? Low-ticket one-time offers are easy to sell, but it's going to take you a long time to make any kind of significant money selling products that barely cost $10 a pop. Promoting products that pay you monthly recurring commissions is where the real big long-term money is. But the truth is, you need to be experienced to know exactly what you're doing, because it's not easy to convince somebody to sign up for a service or a product that's going to charge them every month. And that's why I decided to create the residual income system, an automated done-for-you money-making system which makes us $30,000 plus per month in recurring commissions, promoting recurring affiliate programs that pay us every month, guaranteed. I came home from that ClickFunnels event and created my own system that automates monthly recurring commissions into my account, and I now want to let you in on the action, so you can also tap into the same system even if you've never heard of affiliate marketing or have never made a dime online before. Residual income system levels the playing field so you can get the same results as the internet marketing gurus. This is affiliate marketing like you've never seen it before, because it's never been done like this before. Starting from scratch with zero budget, we're able to bank over $30,000 in recurring monthly commissions with our done-for-you system Site and Funnels. All you've got to do is grab your license to my residual income system, plug in your affiliate link, and the rest is done for you. With this system, my team and I are consistently earning at least $30,000 per month without worrying about finding and promoting new offers every day, because we just stick to what works and what products and services people need and will pay monthly subscriptions for. We're talking page builders, funnel building softwares, hosting domains, autoresponders, VPNs, video tools, and the list goes on. There are literally hundreds of services and softwares we can promote to earn chunky recurring monthly commissions. This is the same system that saved my bank account ever since the pandemic hit, all the way through to the present day as we battle the latest job-crushing recession. Why? Because I'm guaranteed to get paid, because people are paying every single month for these products and services that I promoted years ago. Unfortunately, these days it's getting harder and harder to find new one-time products to promote, but fortunately with these services and softwares that people really need to build their online businesses and make money online that they have to sign to monthly subscriptions to use, we have enough high-quality affiliates programs to promote that literally stuff money into our accounts month after month. Just think about it. I bet you're paying right now for a bunch of services that you pay monthly subscriptions for and you might not even use. Let's take Netflix for example. I've been paying my monthly subscription for years now and I haven't watched anything on it in months. But just like Netflix, there's thousands of other online services, softwares and programs people are gladly paying monthly subscriptions for. With the residual income system, we're banking over $30,000 per month like clockwork without any additional expenses, creating complicated pages or relying on unreliable paid traffic. And now it's all yours. Making money online is pretty simple if you stick to just one system and follow the process of what is working. And today I'm handing you my done-for-you system, which includes the same funnels and sites that are working for me right now to make really good recurring money online. Being able to get paid a guaranteed monthly paycheck from some of the biggest affiliate marketing companies in the world has allowed me to travel the world first class and stay in 5-star hotels. And I've even been able to purchase a $1 million apartment in one of the most expensive boroughs of London. So if you're sick and tired of buying junk products and softwares that teach you outdated methods that simply don't work anymore, now is the perfect time to secure your license to the residual income system so you can live your dream life. We've done all the work to ensure you're as successful as the rest of my members, and we're even going to set up the system for you. We've created the recurring funnel, monthly commissions website, and we're giving you everything else you need to generate monthly recurring commissions. All you have to do is plug your details in my system, insert your affiliate links, and watch the magic happen. I want to help you succeed as fast as possible, but I know exactly how it feels to be struggling trying to make your first dime on the internet, which is why I'm handing you my residual income system right now. I've actually helped countless people from every corner of the globe make their first monthly commission online, including these guys right here.
I just wanted to come in here and quickly send a quick shout out to my good friend Glenn Koski. Once again, you've come out with another excellent product. I'm going to tell you right now, if it wasn't for the help and the money that I gained from purchasing your products, I would not have a small business right now. So I got to tell you, I appreciate the fact that there's an honest affiliate marketer, mentor, and that's what you are. You're a mentor to people that are just starting out.
The last 3 days, I've got 10 sales. I've never done that before in all the years I've been doing this stuff. So I highly recommend Glenn and his courses.
I have been active only a few days, and as soon as I started to follow Glenn's instruction, the money started to come in.
So the last 30 days, I made $1,555. Look at the last 7 days here, $917.
Glenn promised that I would be generating income. I've generated nearly $300 in the week since completing the setup videos.
A big, huge thank you to Glenn. I've been using his products and I just want to say that I have not found products like this that can instantly make you money and continue to make you the residual income that you've probably been looking for.
And I just want to give a quick testimonial and a quick shout out to my man Glenn. I want to say, brother, thank you for what you've done. In under 4 days, I was already start making $100 a day. So my man, I love what you're doing. Peace and love. And brother, keep doing the good work.
And that's just a small section of the people that I've helped to generate their first monthly recurring commissions online. The bottom line is, the residual income system works and is something you need right now. It is an automated system that is 100% done for you. Now you're probably wondering how much this automated profit system is going to cost you. Well, the truth is, not much at all. You can see the exact price on this page now, and you'll see I'm pretty much giving this away, and that's because I want as many people to get access to the residual income system as possible, so they can finally earn their first recurring commissions online and receive regular paychecks every month, just like my team and I. Remember, when you secure your licenses, you're getting the exact same residual income system that has given me real financial and location freedom. The freedom that allows me to do whatever I want, whenever I want. So if that's something you want, click the buy button on this page right now to join me inside the residual income system. In fact, I want to make this such a no-brainer, I'm going to give you some outrageous bonuses, including the recurring affiliate funnel and done-for-you site, the fast track video series, which is a quick course focused on getting you started with the system as quickly as possible. I'm also getting you access to a free autoresponder, which we're using to print money with email marketing. And I'm also giving you my email swipe file, which is full of hundreds of copy and paste emails that you can use to get the same results we're getting. You're also getting the free traffic system as a bonus, which will eliminate any fears you may have about getting traffic to your residual income system. And you're getting 6 other powerful bonuses that will help you crush it with the residual income system. And to make this a completely painless decision, try out the residual income system on my paradigm completely risk-free. Pick this up by clicking below now and use the system for the next 180 days risk-free. Start getting results with our automated process. And if for any reason you're not blown away, just let me know and I'll refund 100% of your tiny purchase price. We urge you to grab your copy of Residual Income System before the price jumps to $97 per month after the initial launch period. So click the buy button right now before you miss out on this golden opportunity, because you may never see this page again. Everything you need is on the inside of the Residual Income System. Check below for the full details, then hurry to lock in your access of this exclusive discount. Whatever you decide, I would like to thank you for watching this brief presentation. Have a great day, and I hope to see you inside the Residual Income System, where you'll get to meet the other members who have already made their first recurring commissions online. I look forward to seeing you as my next success story and the next profitable member of my Residual Income System. Click the buy button right now.